so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way, promise me that you know the world is yours, strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind, live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. You know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time, we all play our part. Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind, live, it's your life. Go on now, chase your dreams, everything. Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life. Live your life.
Time is moving fast. I am moving slow. All the days that passed had nowhere to go. I watched them slip away as far as I can see. I let them roll astray. It did not bother me. The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be a storm or a pouring rain, wait and look out through the window pane where the sun will shine again. Time is moving still, and you are here with me. A house upon the hill and a little apple tree. The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be a storm or a pouring rain, wait and look out through the window pane where the sun will shine again. Where the sun will shine again. your spell. Satan, keep me free from your spell. Satan, gone back unto the gates of hell. Satan, keep me free from your spell. Stay away from my door. Trouble, stay away from my door. Trouble, gone back, don't come around no more. Trouble, stay away from my door.
It's our spot we stayed in last night. Here at the rest area, 120. On our way to Thousand Trails Campground, about 3 hours from here. Pretty and flat.
There's Mr. Mooty, looking all cute and ready to hit the road. There's Mr. Jumper, he's ready to hit the road. There's Miss Lulu Bell, her's ready to rock and roll. Huh, Woo Woo? You ready to rock and roll? Yeah. Lulu ready to go? Yeah. Lulu's all ready to go. Okay.
Trouble, stay away from my door.